Welcome to the Project Reboot Time Machine. Yep, another donation just arrived. 4 PCs, 2 Pentium 4s, 1 time machine, don't know what's in that yet. We've got a 486 DX2 66. Fantastic! Oh, can't wait to have a look in this. Been in a garage for a long look at the back of this one. Gosh, seen some rust, hasn't it? Let's have a look, see what's inside it. Well, this is indeed a 486 DX2 66. If the front label is anything to go by, don't get many of these in, never actually. Earliest we've had in is a Pentium 2, I think. Yeah, P2. Never into the 486s or 386s. So this is a true rarity for us, as we're not retro collectors, but we do get in some old stuff donated. Let's have a look. Not much to see on that side. Let's have a look this side. There we go. Get a close up of that. Been in a garage for a number of years, but actually it looks alright, doesn't it? No dust bunnies in there, no spiders. Let's have quite a good dry, clean garage there. Have a look to see what those cards are. Where's the chip? Is that it? Is that the chip? Oh! Alright, Sound Blaster 16 in there. And a Orchid Technologies Kelvin 64 graphics card. I don't know what that is. Sure you lot do. And a creative sound card. There we go. Socket 3 it says. Socket 3. Dare I take it apart? Is that where it is? Is that the 486 in there? Got the hard drive out. It is a 428 megabytes hard drive. Not gigabytes, megabytes. It's a model ST3491A. There it is. Gonna have to wipe that somehow. I don't really want to destroy it because it's worth about 50 quid on eBay. Let's have a look in the time machine. Let's have a look in the time machine. Oh, I don't know what's in this one at all. On the back it says 263G 82S. Don't know if that means anything, or the 1803. I'm not sure what that is. Anyway, let's have a look in this one, shall we? See what's in this. Oh. Now, I never bought a time machine. I had tiny computers, quite tiny, back in the dark ages. Back in the 386 days was my first PC. 386 SX 366. I don't know, something like that. Ah. Nothing on that side again. Something fell off. Oh dear. Ooh. Oh dear. Ooh. Ooh. It's all falling apart. Oh, I can see the chip. Let's have a look. Well, it's difficult to see. It's got white writing on it, but it's an AMD K6-2. AMD K6-2/400A something 1996. So the time machine has got a Fujitsu MPC 3102 AT, which I believe is a 10.2 gigabyte hard drive. So this is substantially bigger than the other one. Oh, I can't resist. Can't resist taking that off. Gotta take it off. Gonna do it. Right. Ooh. Mind the pins, Nige, mind the pins. Ooh. Oh, we have separation. Oh, there it is. 486 DX2 66. I'll clean that up. I think you can just make that out. DX2 66. There it is. Has it got a date? 1989. 1989. How about that? So that's another quick video done. I'm not going to go into trying to get these started or the in-depth technical bits and pieces of these boxes. I haven't got time to do it. So anyway, I'm going to get through this Sony Vaio Pentium 4. Not much interest there, is there? And this big old HP box. That's it, guys. Hope you've enjoyed this quick snap into another day at Project Reboot. Please give us a thumbs up if you've liked this, or give us a thumbs down if you didn't. Please comment, leave some comments in below, and please subscribe to our YouTube videos if you haven't already. And if you have subscribed, I hope you're enjoying watching these pretty day-by-day activities. See you next time.